In part 3 of my setting up my outdoor hydroponic grow system, I'm going to show you how I feed the lettuces. So we have the lettuces in the system, and oh man, what a variety we have. We got frisee, radicchio, all sorts of different leaf lettuces, an escarole, chicory, endive, and even a celery experiment. Check this one out, bird's eye chili pepper. Alright, so let's get down to feeding. So I had the sprouts in the system for about a week before I fed them. By not initially feeding them, it promotes root growth. I have been using General Hydroponics plant food for many years. It's the best in the business. I typically use equal parts of Flora Grow, Flora Micro, and Flora Bloom. My system holds roughly 22 gallons, and since these are just sprouts, you don't want to give them the full dose. Typically, you would use 5 milliliters per gallon. I'm going to do half of that, and I rounded it up to a quarter cup. After about 2 weeks, I will check the parts per million and adjust accordingly. I add these one at a time and run the system for about an hour before adding the next one. When you're done adding the plant food, check the pH level. For lettuces, you want it to be between 5.5 and 6.5. Looks like mine is right on the money. I'll post an update in a couple weeks to show you the lettuces. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.